Here's a dope cold air intake idea if you guys want to make your own air box for your Integra. So just get the Password JDM air duct. You could actually get this for your Civic too. And as you can see inside there, I got a brake duct, which isn't actually for the brakes. It goes into the air box right here. This is a 5-inch kind of slinky type hose that goes into the ITG air box that I got from ITG themselves in the UK. This is actually a giant velocity stack. See that right there? So this flows pretty dang well. And then when VTEC hits, since it's such a big container, all right, or a capsule, it reverberates and it pops like crazy deep. And then I just got a bunch of HPS hoses. Let me show you behind the bumper here though how I did this, because it's quite tricky and I got so much going on back here. I got my Moton canister riv nutted to the frame rail right here, and then the hose goes over here under the chassis very tight into the coilover right here. And when the wheel actually moves around, it clears. This rubbing right here is what you get when you're doing 16-inch wheels and you slam it. It just always rubs right here. So you can actually get steering rack limiters from Hone Developments. And I got one of those guys in there from my 15s. But as you can see right here, this is the ducting. And if I move this over here, boom. You can see how clear this sits inside here. And I got a bunch of HPS ducting again and clamps to keep this thing nice and solid so it won't pop out. So if you guys want to do something like this, just Google ITG. You can find all sorts of different sizes for this airbox.